everybody, it's Tori. I'm here to bring you our latest virtual story time, and our book today is called Stop Snoring, Bernard, and it is by Zachariah OHora. Let's get started. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. Me too, Bernard. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. "Stop snoring, Bernard!" He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. "Stop snoring, Bernard, please." Oh no. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Whew, Bernard, stop snoring. "Stop snoring, Bernard." Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. "Bernard! Bernard! Where are you, Bernard?" The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," said a bat. "We were out all night and now we are trying to sleep. So, please don't snore here. Can't catch a break." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate, but then he heard something. It was the other otters. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles, "and I'm sorry. I yelled, 'Please come back.'" And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. And that's the end. If you would like to check out this book or one of our other children's books, please go ahead and do so by calling us at the library and we'll help you out, or watch the curbside tutorial on our Facebook page. We hope that you guys have a nice day.